let's get started. So I just want to let y'all know that right off the jump that my hair is not clean. It's not that dirty either because I literally just took it out of a protective style probably Saturday, and today is Monday. So it's really stretched how I want it. It's just not detangled necessarily, but it's okay. So the stuff that I'm going to use in this video is a little bit of leave-in conditioner of your choice. I like to use this Edge Control by Sweetie. Well, it's not by Sweetie, but Sweetie be promoting it. Eco Style, of course. Water, and then got to be blue. Just a little bit of this because I really honestly don't like using this. It's too much of a hole for me, but you know, for the style that we're trying to do, we're gonna have to use it. I don't know if I'm gonna add in some hair or I'm just gonna use my hair. It's depending on how it's looking at the end and how I want my bun. So we're just gonna go with the flow. So the first things first is I'm gonna part off the front sections of my hair, and basically I want a side swoop. So I like to go with the arch of my eyebrow. So it takes me a hard time to part. Like, I'm not the best at parting. So let's just do this. Okay, so I hope this is not annoying, but next I'm going to basically, you're gonna like how you do a sleek ponytail by brushing it down how you would normally do it, you're gonna do it that way. But for this video purposes, I'm gonna try my best to get it down like as perfect as I can. So I'm gonna try to go by layering in it, meaning instead of just trying to brush it down all at once and trying to get it sleek, I'm gonna try to probably do about 2 layers and then yeah, lay it flat. And by the way, my hair is really dry right now. Like, even from me having my protective style, my hair is super dry. So I'm gonna go in probably with a lot of water to the point where it's almost drenched. So yeah, just letting y'all know that. Guys, so now we're at the front. This hairstyle is doing whatever holds for your hair. So basically you don't have to use the same products as I use, because I know a lot of people say, well, you have a different type of style hair, you don't even have this type of hair, you like, it's much easier for you. Well, what I say to that is, then will you use whatever holds for your hair? I'm just showing you guys the way and the thing that I do it. Like, I watch a lot of people videos and I will like, well, that would never work for my hair. So the key to do it is using whatever holds for your hair. Like, if you have to do this style when your hair is more detangled, then you have to do it when it's more detangled. You can't probably do it when it's kind of tangled like mine and dry, which I preferably would do the style when it's not as detangled, but you know, it is what it is today. But basically I'm splitting the swoop part into 2 parts because I don't want to just swoop it all into one. So I'm just taking it. I really should have split it evenly, but I didn't, so whatever. And I'm just gonna kind of how like I did the other part, prep it, swoop it, prep it, swoop it. Like prep it meaning get it all kind of detangle free, and then like swoop it. So y'all, so this is the hardest part, but this is the hardest part for me because I'm doing this on curly hair. Like my hair is not blow dry, it's not straightened, it's like literally my natural state, because I wanted to do this in a natural state, showing that y'all don't have to do all the manipulation as the blow dry, because personally I don't really like blow drying my hair. So yeah. I ended up having to switch my camera because it died, so I'm on my vlog camera, but I think I finished the swoop in time. Basically I ended up having to switch from my regular brush to my hard bristle brush to get the swoop that I wanted, and still it's not all the way that I want, like right here, but it's particularly like that because that's usually my edges. Like that's usually what I do with my edges, but for the swoop I'm not gonna do them, so they are like, they're used to being swooped and curled, so that's what that is. And basically where it's trying to curl, I'm using the edge control to basically snatch it back into place. I'm gonna do my edges off camera, but for the bun part, let's do that part. I think for the bun part, I'm going to end up using my hair. So basically I have it split into two sections, and it's not evenly split, by the way. It's just like, just 1, 2 in the middle, and I'm like basically not twisted but roll, I guess, twist, roll, I don't know, twist it, and I'm gonna wrap this section like in a circle and then do the other one. Now I have one section left. Roll, 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 and then wrap, wrap, wrap. To tuck it and to make sure that it's insured for me, I'm gonna take a rubber band because I don't wanna use, I hate bobby pins, so yeah. And then it broke and it freaking hit me. That shit hurt. Let's try this again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you guys, this is the look. Let me turn to the back so y'all can see. I don't really know how I was looking back there, so don't talk about me. But yeah, this is the look, and I'm just gonna add some gloss. Let me see. Okay guys, so this is the finished swoop bun look. I wanted to show you guys that I could do it with still all my natural state hair, meaning my curly hair, I definitely would have came out better had I blow dried it or whatever. Of course, when your hair is in a straighter form, this style comes out better. But not all the time. Everybody wants to use heat on their hair. So I hope that you guys can see that this can be done. Like I said, the key to this hairstyle is knowing what can key to this hairstyle is knowing what holds your hair, not what I use. It's particularly what you know that can put your place and hold. And to me, doing it in layer by layer rather than trying to do it all in one big setting. Now if you got it like that and you good, then swoop it up one big time. But for me, I have to kind of layer it down before I can just get the swoop that I want. And still, it's not always the way I want. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know down below any other hair type of videos you would like to see. I haven't done a hair video in a while, so if you have any ideas that I can do, I can't braid to the scalp, but anything else, put them down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.